Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OneDrive storage for CapCut and final exports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the CapCut app on your device. Navigate to the project you wish to export. In the top right corner, tap on the export icon. A menu will appear, allowing you to choose your export settings. Select your desired resolution and frame rates. Once you're satisfied with the settings, tap on the export button again. At this point, if OneDrive is not yet authorized, you will see a prompt. Tap on the prompt to start the authorization process. You'll be directed to sign in to your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password associated with OneDrive. After signing in, grant CapCut the necessary permissions. This allows CapCut to access your OneDrive storage. Once authorized, you will be taken back to the export menu. Now select OneDrive as your destination. Choose the specific folder within OneDrive where you want to save the export. Confirm your selection and tap on the export button. Your project will begin exporting to OneDrive. A progress bar will show you the status of the export. After completion, you will receive a notification confirming the successful export. Your video is now saved in your OneDrive account for easy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.